Hi, I'm Imran, founder and CEO FindFlash app. Today I'm going to show you why we need to access location for our apps. First of all, we go to our app's homepage. Let's see. Here is our app homepage or screen record. If I hold on a SOS button, here is this. In 3 seconds for 1, 2, 3. Uh, let Here you can see SOS option is sending. If I minimize this screen, go to SOS option. Here is our live SOS option. I am coming sent. Here is it. If I am coming sent, touch on direction. No SOS option. This is my location.